How to fix TikTok share problem. If you're not being able to share videos inside of TikTok, in today's video, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure that if you're trying to share your own video, if the video is made public or not. So inside of one of your videos, you can tap on the three dotted line, swipe left, and then head over to privacy settings. Make sure that the video is set to everyone and not friends or only you. Once you ensure that, the second thing that you can do is head over to the three lines on the top right, head over to settings and privacy, scroll down, and then head over to free up space. Inside of this setting, you'll be able to see the option called cache. You can just tap on the clear option and then tap on clear again. After doing these few steps, try to see if the issue is now fixed. If it is still not fixed, the other thing that you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of TikTok from your phone and then again re-download it. What this does is while you download the application is you'll get the latest version, so any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will be immediately fixed. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.